In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the Wp-Config.php file in WordPress, step by step, even if you're a beginner. The Wp-Config.php file is one of the most important files in your WordPress installation because it controls critical settings like your database connection, security keys, and debugging options. Editing it the right way can help you fix errors, improve performance, or enable advanced features, but doing it the wrong way can break your site. So make sure you follow along carefully. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is usually done by going to your website URL and adding /wp-admin at the end, then entering your username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, this is where all WordPress management happens. From here, we're going to add a plugin that allows us to safely access and edit WordPress core files directly from the dashboard. Next, on the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. In the plugin search bar, type WP File Manager. This is a very popular and widely used plugin that gives you a file manager interface similar to cPanel or FTP, but directly inside WordPress. Once you see the plugin in the results, click Install Now, and after installation is complete, click Activate. After activating the plugin, you'll notice a new menu item called WP File Manager appear in your dashboard sidebar. Go ahead and click on it to open the File Manager dashboard. The first time you open it, you may see a permission or confirmation message. Just accept it so you can proceed. Now you'll see a list of folders and files that make up your WordPress installation. Look for the file named Wp-Config.php. This file is usually located in the root directory, alongside folders like WP Content, WP Admin, and WP Includes. Once you find wp-config.php, click on it to select it. Then in the top menu of the file manager, click on the Editor option. This will open the wp-config.php file in a built-in code editor. Before making any changes, it's a very good idea to create a backup of this file. You can do this by right-clicking the file and downloading a copy to your computer, just in case you need to restore it later. Now you can safely edit the wp-config.php file. This is where you might add code to enable WordPress debugging, increase memory limits, change database settings, or apply security configurations. Make sure you only paste code from trusted sources and double-check everything before saving. Once you're done editing, click Save or Update to apply the changes. Your WordPress site will now use the updated configuration settings. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to edit the wp-config.php file in WordPress using a file manager plugin without needing FTP or cPanel access. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.